Hi everyone, welcome to Module 7, our second to last week of class. Let's go ahead and start with our overview and the agenda. So it's what we're looking at this week. For the agenda in particular, you can sort of see the list of tasks that you'll have for this week. We're going to be reading chapter 13 in your textbook. You'll see that you only have one chapter to read both this week and next week. I structured the class this way because I know you're going to be working on your film analysis paper this week and next, so I wanted to give you a little extra time to do that, so you only have one chapter both this week and next week. So I hope that helps. The next thing we have is a video by social psychologist Jennifer Eberhardt. It's on race bias in crime and policing. She is a really prominent social psychologist, and she has won awards for this research that you're going to be hearing about, specifically a MacArthur Genius Grant Award. If you've ever heard of that, it's very prestigious. This is a slightly longer video, so I've noted in the title of the video which sections you need to watch to be able to complete your assignments for this week. But you're welcome to watch the whole thing, of course. Let's go ahead and head over to the assignments folder. As I already mentioned, I know you're working on your film analysis papers. Those are due on Tuesday, May 7th, so about 1 week from now. If you're having any questions or any issues, just contact me. I'd be happy to help you out, answer any questions you might have. Next assignment is the Module 7 quiz. It's a normal quiz, 10 questions, covers Chapter 13. All multiple choice, you have 30 minutes to complete all 10 questions. And finally, our Module 7 discussion board. As always, you have 2 prompts to respond to. In one prompt, you'll be asked to complete an online task called the Implicit Association Test and discuss the results. And I do want to note that completing the IAT is a part of a research project at Harvard University, so it requires you to agree to participate in this research study before you can take the test. If for any reason you don't want to participate in that research study, just let me know and I can find an alternative assignment for you. In the second prompt, you'll be asked to think of someone you know that seems to hold a bias of some sort, a prejudice, bias, and describe a strategy from the video you're watching with Jennifer Eberhardt, or from the textbook. Describe a strategy that would help them reduce their bias, if they wanted to reduce their bias. All Module 7 assignments are due on Sunday, May 5th by 11:59 p.m. And as always, if you have any questions, just let me know. Happy writing on those film analysis papers.